2016 Nissan Juke 1.2. It's the DIG engine. It's the 125 brake horsepower anyway, so it's the small engine with a high output, and it's the N connector model, which has got a handful of these. Now this is a category N from the insurance company, which is non-structural, and it's already had a small fix on already, because behind that wheel it had a bent track rod arm and a wishbone, which cost 80 quid and was bolted on pretty much in about half an hour now, so it's all driving straight and as it should do. There's also a couple of clips being yanked off here, and the wheel arch liner is kind of like missing a couple of screws, probably when they've just taken it off to see what damage it's got on it. Now also this front kind of grille is got kind of marks on it. I might change it, but it's not that bad, but if I can get one cheap enough I will. And behind that, the aircon condenser has been squashed. It still works, but it'll need to be changed because it just might leak later, so it's better safe than sorry replacing those bits, and be regassed. And we go around the car, lovely and clean down the side, no damage, no dings and stuff like that. On the front, just the same. Down here, lovely and straight. Obviously the roof is as well. And the back, no damage at all. And a little tiny mark there. It's come from Glim Hopkin, and it's got a bit of service history, but it's only got 14,000 miles on it, which is nearly new. And on the inside, beaten away, it's lovely and clean. Doesn't really look like it's been used. It will get a valley, but I don't think it really needs it. It's got a reversing camera there as well. In the back, nice and clean, not really been sat in much. And in the front, it's keyless as well, that's why it's beeping at me, because I've got the key outside, but it's got your sat nav, reversing camera, it's got kind of buttons for how you want to drive it, like normal, sport, eco mode. You can set different settings on it, and it's got your climate control, which is dual as well. Cruise on this side, steering wheel controls on the other, auto lights, auto wipers, auto dim and rear view, and it's got like USB bits down there as well, and it is super duper clean in the front as well. It's got that kind of fake suede that kind of lasts better than suede in fact, and it doesn't wrinkle and stuff. Under the bonnet, you can see it's not been damaged here, so it's just had a very low impact. So no headlights broken, tabs and stuff. So there, nice as it should be, and super clean as well. But it should be. It's 2 years old with 14,000 mileage. So we'll have a new aircon rad on it. Do a couple of little touchy up bits there. These retail for at least 11 grand with this kind of condition, mileage and history. It's only really a one owner as well, and I think this one's going to go up for 8,250, maybe 8 grand. So big saving for having a few marks on it like this, and it'll drive it. It'll be exactly the same. We can put a warranty on it, exactly the same from Nissan. We'll cover just about everything on it. So huge saving for very little damage.